I have done that before as well.
Yeah, it's actually meant for blind people. This is 1,000 kilograms, 13 persons in Helsinki, Finland. Oh, Espoo. I think Espoo. Yeah, it's Espoo.
But in the Helsinki region.
In Helsinki region, yeah.
Yeah, built in the beginning of 2000.
Yeah.
So all the logos are this is early 2000.
Yeah.
KONE directional arrows.
Yeah. The indicator.
But no chime, unfortunately.
Yeah. I love how there's only one button for this to up or down.
Yeah.
That's very interesting for me.
Yes.
Like basically in Latvia we don't have these.
Mm-hmm.
We only have like with 2 buttons only.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's 2000 and serial code right there and year 2000.
Yes.
In Espoo, Finland. And there you go. That's it.